Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. I'm going to have a look at the Nokia N92 ringtones. As people know, I have two of them. A lot of people have been asking for the ringtones, and this is just a quick refresh of the box, what it looks like, and yeah, on the back and so on. If you remember all this, real mobile TV, pick bridge, UPnP and Java and all that stuff, express print. A real blast from the past, if you want to call it that. So we're going to get straight into it. Two of these here. What I loved about this phone was the speakers. Front firing speakers, folks. Very hard to find the phone today, but however, we will get on to the ringtones and let you have a listen to what they're like. So we have the ringtone settings here. You have voice call, you have say caller's name, you have ringing type, ringing volume. So what we'll do is we'll put that up to max, like so. Yes. And we'll go up and change the tones from here. So we're going to start here. We'll actually scroll back up to the top. And this came with 3D tones as well, because the speakers in these had some output on them as well, which was excellent for the time, even thinking of it now. So we'll start off with this one here. So that's the ringing tones of the Nokia N92, if you remember that. There might be a couple more messages in here. No, they're all the same. Some phones did have different message tones as well included. But when you look back at this phone, it was quite advanced for its time and pretty cool. And yeah, really nice phone, and it came with a lot of features. So that's the Nokia N92. Like I said, we've got two here. If anyone wants to see any more phones from other phones, give me a shout. As you know, I have a massive collection which is actually up for sale, but get in touch if you want any more before I let them off, and we'll get them up for you. So that's it, the Nokia N92, really great phone, really like it, and it's certainly one that will go in the favourites of mine. You see our camera set up there, and it doesn't actually look too bad, and that's really it. So we will see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed the tones.